Hello and welcome to DPN TV here at the DPN Rover car collection. I thought I'd do a little video on changing the foot pedal rubbers on a Rover 45. Probably the sort of thing that's very easy to overlook, and you might not even be aware that you can actually get new pedal rubbers. We weren't always aware, especially when we owned the Metros, and even I think when we first got the 45s, I'm sure it wasn't that easy to get pedal rubbers. Now it's easy to find them, and I think we got these from eBay, and we've already tried them on two of our 45s, and they're holding up well. I think they were put on well over 6 months ago. They're not falling off, and they seem as good as the original one. So we've got two more to do, and I thought I'd cover us doing this car. It's one of those sort of straightforward jobs if you know you can do it and you know they're available. And I think well worth doing it, and also good for safety, because it's very easy when the pedal rubbers get worn for your feet to slip off the pedals, or them to sort of peel off as well. They seem more likely to that as they get a little bit worn. So we've got two left in the packet for our other 45, and we're going to fit them to our 1.6 Rover 45. So we'll go on and do that. Right, so this is also something you can do on a Rover 75, change the pedal rubbers, and we've got a little video on doing them. The only thing with the 75, there's only one pedal rubber that you can change easily like this. Now the other pedal rubber is available, but it's a lot more expensive and seems to tend not to wear. You got the accelerator pedal, which is actually more of a plastic cover, and again doesn't seem to wear as much, and I don't think it's so readily available, but it's well worth looking into on the 75 or the 45, as they just simply peel off. So we get them off now. So that's them peeled off, and as you can see, it's sort of like a rubber overlap moulding that just slots over the metal pedal there. And what we do now is get the other one off as well. Yeah, you can see that the metal pedal there that goes over. Right, so that's the two pedal rubbers off. The one on the brake not quite as worn as the clutch pedal. As you can see, that one is starting to fracture down the bottom, I think. Yeah, you can just about see that. Not quite as worn as on our other two cars though, but still I think worth changing. You can feel they've lost that sort of softness and are starting to go hard as well, but they'll actually be good as a good backup pair. Certainly this one, I think on our other cars there's one that's in pretty good condition, so they act as a good backup pair. This one beginning to split, so perhaps not so good. So let's get the new pedal rubbers on. Right, so here's the new pedal rubber. We'll start off with the clutch first. And what I try and do is hook the top part on, and then with my fingers pull the bottom round and over the pedal. Right, so now I've got the top on this far side. I'm just going to prise it over a little bit and stretch it over. That's it. Now the top is completely on, and from there we can then pull the bottom over one side at a time and slowly get it over, and they're on. And once they're on, they do seem to stay on. So yeah, there you are, and you can see kind of how much better it makes the car look as well. So let's get the one on the other side. Right, so that's both foot pedal rubbers on. One of those sort of jobs I suppose you never really get round to doing, but well worth doing, not only for safety but also improving the look of the car, especially when you look down into the footwell. It certainly makes things a lot more tidier. Now all we need to do is a little hoover, and I'd say it's probably worth hoovering afterwards, because if there is any mud on the pedals, it's just going to come down onto the carpet. So yeah, a nice clean up of things, certainly looking a lot better and a lot safer. hopefully you've enjoyed that video. As always, don't forget to check out our other videos. Look at our Instagram and Twitter page. And as always, thank you very much for watching.